wanting to tell more people about my products and services so they can get the juice too. All right, so I'm going to keep going. All right, I know you're like, Candace, kind of get sum it up for me. I got you. I'm going to give you one more thing, and I'm going to give you a little bit more. I got you. Let's keep going. Your total deductions that I just gave you equaled up to $10,000. Let me show you what this looks like from a tax perspective, okay? I'm going to give you some numbers. Some people like numbers. I'm going to give you some numbers. Now, let's say, for example, your income was $70,000. $70,000, you got it. Now, the standard is about $12,000 for a single filer. I'm not going to get super detailed in this. I know we live in what's called a progressive tax system, and I'm not going to go deep into that. I promise. I'm going to just use simple stuff today, okay? Now, with the standard being $12,000, that just means that the government gives you $12,000 as a single filer to take off of your income off the top. They did us a favor. Thank you, government. Sure. All right, that's $58,000 that you're now going to be taxed on. But hold on. You have a business. When you got your business and you took those basic tax deductions, you turned your regular expenses into business expenses. When you turn those regular expenses into business expenses, guess what just happened? You took that off of the $58,000, and now you're only taxed on $48,000. I'm gonna let that sink in for a second. You're only taxed on $48,000. Let me give you one other caveat there, because I like y'all a lot. If you pay student loans, when you look at the student loans and they say, tell us what your adjusted gross income is, your adjusted gross income is based on the $48,000, not the $58,000, not the $70,000, the $48,000. So if you have a business, you can even lower your student loan payments. Oh my goodness. I hope y'all get it. I'm so excited, because these are things we face every day. And who wants to pay more for student loans? Who wants to pay more taxes? Nobody. I never met nobody that said, yeah, Candace, I just want to pay more taxes. And if they did, I gave them a real long session about how we don't want to do that, right? Okay, so this is the thing. You're paying less taxes, and where did the $10,000 go? Remember, we just wrote off, we turned our regular expenses into business expenses, and that $10,000 now was written off on our taxes in a simple way. Remember, these are simple, but turning your regular expenses into business expenses allows you to keep more of your money in your pocket. That's the reality. And if you don't have a business, I know you do. I know you got one, but if you don't, you need one. But then even on top of that, if you have a business and don't know what you qualify for, it's just like not having a business. One of the clients I talked to the other day, I said, well, did you carry your business on your taxes? You have a legitimate business. She said, no, I didn't know how to do that stuff, so I just left it off. Excuse me. And then I just came on in the scene, 2019, they trying to get stimulus checks. I was like, I understand, but let me help you, okay? I'm excited. Can't you tell I'm excited? Let me help you. You know what? Let me help you. Here we go. You can amend your taxes back 3 years if you messed them up. You messed them up. Your tax professional messed it up. It don't matter. You can amend your taxes back 3 years if there's something incorrect on them that you need to change. So I said, well, baby, you had a I said it just like that. Baby, you had a legitimate business. Let's fix it. Are you willing to get some more money? And she said, absolutely.